Motivation is a drug. It gives you the illusion of power, then throws you into the pit of burnout. Waiting for inspiration to start acting is like waiting for the wind to build your house. Architects know the system always defeats the will. When you set an alarm across the room, that is a system. When you prepare your workout clothes the night before, that is a system. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. The great Victor Hugo did not wait for the muse. He created conditions where not writing was impossible. He literally locked himself in the system. Your success depends not on how much you want it, but on how impossible you make it to lose. Stop looking for the fire inside. Build the mechanism around you. When motivation vanishes, and it will, your system will continue on autopilot. Motivation is for amateurs. Systems are for architects.